Hey guys, it's DaYeetBoi here, and in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to join extremely low player bot lobbies. I'll also show one of my games I played to show truly how easy it is to win in these lobbies. But before I get started with the video, YouTube told me that 99.4% of you guys are not subscribed. I'm trying to reach 10k subs by the end of the year, so it would help out a lot if you guys could drop a sub. Anyways, without further ado, let's get started with the video. So this is honestly quite simple. All you have to do is queue into any LTM game mode at around 3 to 7 AM. This will put you into extremely easy lobbies with barely any players. As you guys can see in this game, there are literally only 17 players in the whole lobby. This gave me enough time to go through each building in Lazy Lakes and get an insane loadout. Not only that, but I was also able to get 2 stacks of floppers before I even saw a single person. And by the time I encountered a team for the first time, there are only 9 people left in the lobby. And this team was clearly not too great. Not only did I hit one of them with the helicopter dealing 50 damage, I did this a whole 5 times, doing the exact same thing over and over and over again. The second team I fought literally chased me for over a minute in their helicopter, not even hitting me once for shield during the whole process. Finally, when they jumped out of their helicopter, I killed the first enemy and then his teammate shortly after. And while I did reach a measly 1 HP at one point, I am playing a duo game mode as a solo, meaning if you play with a teammate, you will have an easier time than I did. And after that whole battle, everyone else was not too great to say the least. First, I found a team hiding in some previous builds. They didn't put up much of a fight, however one of them was able to run away. While I was chasing the guy, I found a team literally hiding in bushes who thought I wouldn't be able to see them or hit them through the bush. Let's just say, they didn't put up too much of a fight either. And for the last guy, after toying with him for a bit, I easily killed him and took less than 10 damage in the process. As you guys just saw, everyone in this lobby was not great and it was honestly a really easy win. Anyways guys, I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial on how to get into low player bot lobbies. Make sure to leave a like below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.